duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. And for that, medicines are essential to all living organisms for function, structure, and regulation of our body. Today we are going to talk about a pharmaceutical giant with whom you all are acquainted with, thanks to its vast distribution and presence. Its products are used by us in our day-to-day life. Yes, we are talking about GlaxoSmithKline, to whom we all know by Glaxo.
GSK in a word: vibrant.
Engaging.
Interesting.
World class.
Fun. Amazing.
Creative.
Inspirational.
Ethical.
Innovative.
Empowerment.
It's a truly global, multidisciplinary organisation that is clearly working to change the industry as a whole.
It is the British multinational pharmaceutical giant, biologics, vaccine and consumer healthcare company in London, and is the world's fourth largest company measured in 2009 by prescription drug sales. The company was established in 2000 by the merger of two companies, Glaxo Wellcome and SmithKline Beckham. Long and costly product development cycles made it essential for the pharmaceutical companies to maximize its limited staff and resources for the development of compounds with the greatest market values. From the time a company's R&D group begins to develop a new prescription medicine until it receives FDA approval to market the drugs in the US. A drug company typically spends $1 billion over the course of 10 to 15 years.
At GlaxoSmithKline, we have reached a state of agility. We are more responsive, more interactive, and we have a real conversation going on with our customers. And this is why we're winning. Our sales reps are connecting with physicians like never before. Our engagement numbers are sky high, and we're converting way ahead of the competition. To get here, we had to define our vision for change. And then we had to overcome our own big company inertia. So we worked with Blue Wolf to make it all happen. They helped us to embrace change, to create a movement in the organization, to move from paper to iPad, and to develop a whole new mindset that we use to break records across the industry. Agility. It's a good place to be.
GlaxoSmithKline invented the molecular clinical safety intelligence system, which helps to predict the safety measures in the early stage of pharmaceutical research. GlaxoSmithKline has implemented a divestment strategy by divesting 8 specialist medicines and a manufacturing facility to Aspen Pharmacies Holdings, which reflects GlaxoSmithKline's strategy to simplify its operation and divest products that can be effectively commercialized by other parties. The GlaxoSmithKline has increased investment in the growth areas such as vaccines, biopharmaceuticals, and consumer healthcare. Access to medicine strategies, a recent strategy employed by GlaxoSmithKline, is concerned with the decision to reduce prices on all medicines in the poorest countries and return profits to be spent on clinics. The culture and values is summed up in the GlaxoSmithKline spirit that defines the qualities of the company expected by all employees to embrace: performance with integrity, entrepreneurial spirit, focus on innovation, a sense of urgency, and passion for achievement. The company lays emphasis on growing their own resources, and most opportunities are first offered to the internal candidates through internal job postings and those who are identified as key talent through talent management process. The training for sales personnel includes an induction program that covers skill training, business unit specific product training, and work practices for the new recruits. The main competitors of GlaxoSmithKline are VaxGen, LabNow, Mass Biolabs, Meritage Pharma, Health Guru Media, and BioPro Pharmaceuticals. GlaxoSmithKline produces prescription medicines like Adatrel, Altabex and Altargo. Consumer healthcare products like Abreva, Eli and Aquafresh. Vaccines like Vax-Emberix and Boostrix. GlaxoSmithKline has posted second quarter results which shows that the core operating profit was down by 7% to just over £2 billion at a constant exchange rate, while group turnover fell by 2% to £6.46 billion.
GlaxoSmithKline was downgraded by UBS from buy to neutral with a price target of $48.18 as current earnings visibility limits upside for the stock price in the near term. Shares are lower by about 1.3%.
Pharmaceutical sales were down by 3% to $4.44 billion, which hit principally to pricing pressure in Europe and the Great Parallel Trade. Management and employees at the GlaxoSmithKline manufacturing site at Dartford have together developed a health and safety program, Partners in EHS, bridging two manufacturing operations on the same site. This has maintained commitment and morale during closure of one of these operations and has been instrumental in the other's quest to become world-class. The initial driver to the partnership program was from senior managers who were wishing to raise the profile of health and safety across the site and has been well supported and resourced. The program was given a further boost when the site became subject to additional requirements under the new COMA regulations. So friends, health is the greatest strength, contentment is the greatest treasure, and confidence is the greatest friend. Being healthy is the greatest joy ever. Goodbye and have a successful future.